Yeah, how dirty the water is.
You know, some of them, the color will come out, though.
It's not even the color, it's just naturally dirty. Because from this up, it's very dusty from the market, so you just have to wash it clean. See the level of dirt that can come out from these spices. So if you just buy them from the market and you use it directly, this is what you'll be giving people to eat. So arrange them in the machine. You can see everything is in there. Hopefully tomorrow they'll dry with constant light. Neatly washed. So yeah, can you recognize anything? This is star anise. This is nutmeg. This is cardamom. Okay, you can see cloves there. This one, whether it's local nutmeg, maybe it's a huru or neutral. Then you have black pepper, you have coriander, you have fenugreek, you have these things are plenty, sure. We'll add up the rest of the spices. I just remove them from the dehydrator now. It's so clean. I don't use my hands. So clean, super clean. If you see the water we got from this thing yesterday, we washed and washed it. It was so dirty. So our curry powder is ready. My goodness. If you come to this house, everywhere is just scenting soft life, soft life. My God, this is rich. This is what you call riches. Riches, wealth, money, good health, long life, no hospital visits. This is yummy. Your pot of soup is calling this curry powder. My father, my lord. Omo. Ha! Something I was even thinking will give me 2 rubber. It's not even up to a full rubber. God, I beg you. It's not easy to just do something worth it. This is lovely. The aroma, my neighbors are like, what are you doing? This woman, you will never cease to amaze us. Jeez. Oh, hi guys. This is 100 grams of curry powder. These are 100 grams each. Now we have 1 kg of curry powder.